Hey everyone, and welcome back to Simply Explained. I'm Avery.
And I'm Laura. Today, we're going to talk about something you hear about all the time: global warming.
Exactly. We want to break it down in a really simple way. No complicated science words, just what it is and what it means. So, Laura, let's start with the first big question. What actually is global warming?
Okay, so think of the Earth like it's wrapped in a blanket. This blanket is made of gases. It's supposed to keep us warm enough to live here.
Right, like a cozy blanket.
Exactly. But global warming is what happens when that blanket gets too thick. Certain things like burning fuel for cars and factories add more gases to the air, making the blanket thicker. So the Earth gets a little too warm all over the world.
That makes sense. So it's not just a hot day, it's the whole world slowly heating up. Which brings us to the next point. Is global warming real or is it a myth?
Well, the vast majority of scientists who study the Earth say it's very real. It's not really a debate among them anymore. They have a lot of proof.
Okay, so what are the signs? How do scientists know this is happening?
One of the biggest signs is melting ice. Huge areas of ice at the North Pole and South Pole are melting much faster than they used to. And when all that ice melts, the water goes into the ocean. So another sign is that sea levels are slowly getting higher.
And I've heard that storms are getting stronger too, like hurricanes. Is that also a sign?
Yes, because warmer oceans give storms more energy, so they can become more powerful.
This brings up an interesting point. What are some things people blame on global warming that aren't always true? I've heard people say, it was so cold this winter. Global warming must be fake.
Right, that's a super common one. But it's because people mix up two different things: weather and climate.
Wait, what does that mean? What's the difference?
Think of it this way: weather is what you're wearing today, a t shirt or a coat. Climate is your whole closet, all the clothes you own for every season.
Oh, I like that. So one cold day or even one cold winter is just weather, but climate is the pattern over many, many years.
Exactly. And the climate, or the world's whole closet, is getting warmer overall, even if we still have some cold days.
So what changes do people really see in everyday life? Is this really happening everywhere?
It can be different depending on where you live. Some people might notice that summers are getting hotter and there are more heat waves.
Okay, hotter summers.
Other places might get a lot more rain than they used to, causing floods. Or the opposite, they might get a lot less rain, causing droughts. The key thing is that normal patterns are changing.
So if almost all scientists agree, why do some people not believe in global warming?
That's a good question. Sometimes it's because the changes happen so slowly, it's hard to notice them year to year. It's not like you wake up one day and the ocean is a foot higher.
Right, it's gradual.
Also, the topic can be confusing, and sometimes the information people hear is wrong or misleading. It's not about shaming anyone, it's just a big, complicated topic to understand.
Well, hopefully our chat today made it a little less complicated. Our goal was just to help everyone understand the basics, not to feel scared.
I think we did that. Thanks for listening to Simply Explained, everyone. We'll catch you next time.